Okay, so welcome to Quick Calculus, and in this video we'll be looking at an example on how we evaluate two-sided limits using yung technique na tinuro ko in the previous video. So the first technique that we have said was to try and plug in the value, diba? So we will evaluate f of a. So if f of 2 is equal to square root of 2 squared plus 14 times 2 minus 6 all over 2 minus 2. And this would be equal to 2 times 2 squared plus 14 times 2, 28. So this will be 36. Square root of 36 is 6. So 6 minus 6 is 0. Then 2 minus 2 is 0. So again, this is in the form of 0 over 0, indeterminate form. Okay? And again, kapag ka nagkaroon tayo ng indeterminate, what do? We try to factor, we try to simplify, and we try to multiply by the conjugate kapag meron tayong nakita na square roots, diba? So we have a square root here, so let's try to multiply by the conjugate. So limit as x approaches 2 ng square root of 2x squared plus 14x minus 6 all over x minus 2 times square root of 2x squared plus 14x plus 6 all over square root of 2x squared plus 14x plus 6. Okay? So we can now try to simplify this whole equation. So this will become limit x approaches 2 ng 2x squared plus 14x minus 36 all over. Copy lang natin yung nasa denominator. So x minus 2 times square root of 2x squared plus 14x plus 6. Okay? So ano ngayon pwedeng natin gawin? So we try to factor, simplify, and multiply the conjugate. So nakapag-multiply na tayo ng conjugate. So let's try to now take the factor. No? So pinakaunang makita natin is we can remove 2 from our numerator. Diba? So magiging 2 times the limit as x approaches 2 ng x squared plus 7x minus 18 all over. Copy lang natin yung denominator. Square root of 2x squared plus 14x plus 6. And yung numerator can be factored. Tama? So, ang ano factor nito? This will become x plus 9 times x minus 2. And now we have x minus 2 and x minus 2 in the denominator. So, pwede natin sila i-cancel. Okay? So, kapag nakita tayo ng single factor sa ating denominator, katulad ng case na to, x minus 2, hint na yon na x minus 2 should be or can be a factor nung numerator para mag-cancel at para hindi maging 0 over 0 yung limit natin. Okay? So if we now try to rewrite yung whole equation natin without x minus 2, this would become x plus 9 all over square root of 2x squared plus 14x plus 6. Okay? So now we try to evaluate the limit again. Kung 0 over 0 pa rin. So we try. So this will become 2 times. So this will become 2 plus 9 all over square root ng 2 times 2 squared plus 14 times 2 plus 6. Okay? So, yung denominator would become 2 squared times 2 plus 14 times 2, 28 plus 6. So, that will become square root of 36 plus 6. Okay? So, this will become 2 times 11 all over 12. Or, since may times 2 sa labas, this will become 11 over 6. Okay? So, 11 over 6 yung limit ng ating function. So, limit as x approaches 2, square root of 2x squared is 14x minus 6 all over x minus 2. Okay? So, again, what we did is to first try to factor, simplify, and conjugate. Okay, so that is all for this video and see you in the next video.